Hi everyone, I'm Tonya Kershner with Osa Tropical Properties. I'm here today in San Buenas, Costa Rica, to show you this new listing of mine. It's 16 acres, it's absolutely beautiful. It's got 3 different building spots already in place. As you can see behind me, it's got this gorgeous ocean view. There's a large river running through the border of the property, over 100 fruit trees. This property has everything, including a spring for delicious drinking water straight from the earth. With the beautiful San Buenas golf course right in the neighborhood, right at your doorstep, just minutes from this property. Thanks for checking out the tour of this beautiful property in San Buenas. I hope you enjoyed all of the ocean views, the river behind me, all the beautiful fruit trees. This property has it all. If you're interested, contact me, Tonya Kershner at Osa Tropical Properties, and I'm happy to show you around in person. Take care.